If you enjoy the challenges of hunting with a Flintlock muzzleloader, then come join us as we step outdoors.
Well, here we are. We're in the second week of Pennsylvania's late muzzleloader season, or Flintlock, the old smoke pole. I couldn't find anybody to come out with me tonight, so I decided to come out and see if I could do it myself. It's not easy filming yourself. Sitting in a good spot right now. It's cut cornfield that the deer seem to be coming into, and I'm hoping that tonight will be the night. So stick with me. Let's see what happens. Well, guys, I don't know if I got this thing. The dang powder wouldn't go off to 2 or 3 times it clicked on me. So I actually had to pour the old powder out and put the new powder in. And I don't know. These things are not easy to shoot. I don't feel real comfortable or real confident about that shot. So I'm gonna walk up and at least see if I can see any blood and tracks. I don't know. Crossing my fingers. See what happens.
Hey guys, we'll get back to the hunt in a second, but if you enjoy the show, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.
Well, I didn't get it. I went to right where it was. There was nothing. No sign of any good hit. And I tracked that deer probably, a good 150 yards. I could find where he ran, and there was nothing. So, and he was leaping and bounding the whole way. So I'm fairly 99.9% sure that I did not get that deer. No excuses, but it was a little further than I actually was figuring. And doesn't help whenever your gun doesn't go off 2 or 3 times. It gets you pretty rattled. But I'm done. I'm gonna unload my gun here and pack it in. So we'll see what happens. Tomorrow's Saturday. I think I'm gonna head to a different spot, and I don't even think I'm gonna carry the camera tomorrow. I'm just going to go and see if I can get one without the camera. So I'm on unload right now. Watch this thing goes off from the very first time. Figures. It goes off the very first try. All the joys of muzzleloader hunting.